Happy third vlog. It has to start off with a fire truck at a gas station. I've never seen that before. So my washer's still broken, so I had to go to the laundromat, and they only took cash for quarter. So I had to go to the Circle K and buy something. I got this kombucha, and it's actually not that good. It was one of the worst kombuchas I had. Then I somehow washed my clothes twice. This is my face after I found out. But don't worry, after wasting an hour, I finally found the dryers. So I'm really bad at remembering to vlog. So this is one of my workouts for my leg day. I like the way my abs look. And then lately I've been liking to hang upside down because it feels good.
Needs to be damn tough.
It is Saturday and I forgot to vlog my day. I went to the pool with Jellica at her house. I took some vids, so I'll post them in right now. And now I'm at Tia Meme Tio Nick's. And they gave me some chocolate to try. Honey Mamas. Apparently it's the new hype. It's a cute opening experience. And I already tried a piece. It is very rich, and I don't like chocolate. Like, I don't like chocolate ice cream. I don't like chocolate cake. But this was actually really good. The coolest texture, like I'll show you really quick. It almost like, kind of looks like fudge.
Yeah.
Like it gives like a fudge. But yeah, not a chocolate person, but I would buy this for myself. So, Honey Mamas, check it. Where did you get it at?
I got it at, you can get it at Whole Foods, you can get Natural Grocers, you can get it at Time Market.
Check it out. This is the mint flavor. Then my Tia Meme needed to find a sofa sleeper, so we hit up the Crate and Barrel. This is me jamming out on the couch. It was very comfy. Happy Father's Day. It is Sunday, and I just wanted to give a shout out to my daddy. Happy Father's Day, Dad. I love you mucho. And happy Father's Day to all of the dads out there and the moms who had to be dads and the people who no longer have their dads on this planet. I'm a little bit sad today because my dad recently moved to San Diego, so I can't spend this day with him, and I will celebrate when I go and see him at the end of the month. Alrighty, I am going to DoorDash for a bit. This is the DoorDash fit. Summery, simple, little low pony, my homemade necklace, and some shorts. It says busy in my area, so wish me money goodness. I just finished dashing for 4 hours. I made $63, which is okay. I found that on the north side, like in Oro Valley, people tend to tip more. I don't know if that was just today or if that's a normal flow, but I think I'm gonna stay in that area more because I like money. But now I'm at Tia Meme's for Sunday dinner. Sunday's dinner just deserves to be shown on this vlog. Tachos, and they just got an air fryer, so the only way to really break in a new air fryer is going to Trader Joe's and getting everything you possibly can to air fry. And yes, I was ill after this, but it was totally worth it. Sauce station and everything. I also wanted to show off my tacho bowl because it was so good. Good morning. Happy Monday. Start to our week. Let's make it a great fucking day. I did my morning routine and I'm starting my day off with this delicious yogurt bowl. I have some blueberries going bad, so I love to make like a blueberry compote. It's just gonna turn my yogurt such a pretty color. Pumpkin seeds, granola, and hemp, baby. I decided to take a little thrift trip to Savers after my workout. I love going on Mondays because the whole store is 50% off. They had some really cute things, and I can't wait to show you what I found. Okay, now that I just watched TikTok for like 2 hours, let's show what I got. So I got this cute white tee. It has care because you can always care just a little bit more. Then I got this super funky 70s pink and orange tank top. Then I got this really pretty white button up with the fun sleeves. And then look at the detailing on this. If you have any cute ways to style this, please let me know. I was thinking like a really chic look, black slacks and maybe some loafers. And lastly, this classic brown top, because I feel like it's a very good transitional piece into the fall. And these were the totals for everything I got. I would say it was a pretty successful thrift trip. Happy Tuesday, beautiful people. I am getting ready for my therapy appointment. I just switched over to daily contact lenses, and luckily I have the same prescription on both eyes, but it's been the best decision I've ever made. I have really dry eyes and I live in a dry desert, so switching to from monthly to dailies has been a real game changer in my life. I'm gonna use this to put it in. Oh, and don't mind this pimple that's just like freaking out. It started last week and then just decided to extend its stay on my face. But yeah, therapy, then gym, then grocery shopping. I will hopefully remember to vlog and take you along for the ride. Oh, I also wanted to just show that I upgraded. Normally I'll pile a bunch of jars to make a tripod, but I bought a tripod and it's been really helpful so far. I just had to show off the literal best protein shake place in Tucson, Central Nutrition on Grant and Country Club. I hate the taste of protein shake, like protein powder, and this is the only place that actually makes it taste like a milkshake. This is called pumpkin cheesecake. Okay, I went thrifting again today and I found this dress. This is the pattern. It's really fun, but it was just like A-frame fit. I want it to be a little bit more fitty, but still flowy, so when I dance, it'll show off. And this is how it came out. I basically just cut along the sides and then sewed it along the inside. I'm gonna cut off this extra fabric, but I'm pretty proud with how it turns out. Ooh, 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 ooh. I wanted to show off my lunch because I think it's kind of funny and it's a perfect example of a lunch where I'm trying to fight food waste. So I have this sausage hot dog thing. I had a bell pepper going bad. I had a bun that was not going bad, but like there's just one bun left and I wanted to use it. And I don't know why like sausages don't match the number of buns. Like it's always off. You buy like a 10 pack of hot dogs and it's an 8 pack of buns, or you buy a 5 pack of sausages and it's an 8 pack of buns. Like why can't they just make it balance? And then I had a cucumber going bad, and the best way to use a cucumber, protein shake obviously if you see my last video, but this is my favorite snack. This is like an OG snack from when I was a little girl. Me and my sisters would always make this. It's literally just cucumber, lemon juice, and salt. Oh, and it's so good. I also wanted to go back on what I said yesterday about this pimple. Yeah, pimples are whatever, but I'm still cute with a pimple on. I just didn't want to send the wrong message that I think I'm like uglier with the pimple. I'm still really cute with the pimple. It's just like painful, so I don't want to feel pain. So I just wanted to clarify that. Okay. Oh, and happy Wednesday. Also, I changed my tennis lesson day to Wednesdays with my Tio Nick, and I just wanted to show off my cute little tennis skirt. Not thrifted, but from Adidas, their outlet. Very rare in Tucson. We have rain clouds, and it smells like the creosote plant, so hopefully we get some much needed water. I wanted to show off my space buns. It's the first time I ever did this, and it's actually really hard to make them even. The back looks a little janky, but I think they're so cute, and it'll be good for a HIIT workout, you know, keep the hair out of my face. But going to the gym, washer's still broke, so going to Tia Meme's to do my clothes after that, and maybe get some DoorDashes in between. Oh, and I'm so excited because my Tata Sir and my little brother Sal are coming into town for a wedding we're going to on Saturday. My gym, Tucson Strength, just upgraded their outdoor training area, and it is fabulous. I had such a good workout out there today. Here's a cute little video of my Tia Sandi and Tata Sir. We decided to go to Miss Saigon. Yes, is it 100 degrees outside? I'm still getting a fa-ga.